Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes for computer. Students, the name of this chapter is computer evaluation. So, students, every aspect of our life in this present era has been influenced by an most advanced machine known as computer. Initially, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculating and were very expensive. Nowadays, computer can be affordable by a small organization and even by individual. Computer have now become a basic need because of their use at almost every workplace. Before starting this chapter, I hope you all know the what is computer and what are the uses of computer, what are the basic part of computer, because you learn it in previous classes. So first question, what is computer? A computer is a device for working with information, and the information can be numbers, words, picture, movies, sound. Computer information also called data, and computer can process huge amount of data very quickly. Students, in this chapter we have two topics: history of computer and generation of computer. Now our first point, history of computer. So the need to keep a track of numbers lead to the invention at different calculating device. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computer. Students, understand the computer, we have to know properly what is the history of computer. So abacus is the first computer in our history. It was first mechanical device for calculation developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. It was used in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next is Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in 1642. It was its limitation to addition and subtraction. It is too expensive. It used gears, wheels and dials. It was capable for performing addition and subtraction. Next is Jacquard loom. Created by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1801. It is used in punch card. Punch card, a card is in which holes are punched in designated positions to represent data, called also Hollerith card. Next point is tabulating machine. Invented by Hermann Hollerith in 1819 to assist a summarizing information and accounting. Next machine is analytical engine, which is invented by Charles Babbage. Students, Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. He designed two machines, the difference engine designed to be steam power and fully automatic, and analytical engine. As a mathematician, he is considered as the father of computer because he invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833 or 34. This type of many invention. Now we got advanced electrical computer. So next point is generation of computer. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation computer in 1946 to 1950. Second generation 1959 to 1964, and third generation 1965 to 1970. Fourth generation 1971 to fifth generation today to future. Now one by one see. first generation computer. First computer used vacuum tube for circuitry and magnetic drum for memory and were often enormous, taking up entire room. Next is second generation computer. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes and appeared in the second generation of computer. One transistor replaced the equivalent of 40 vacuum tubes. Second generation computer allowing computer to become smaller, faster and cheaper and more energy efficient, more reliable, but still generated a great deal of heat that can damage the computer. So next is third generation computer. The development of integrated circuit was hallmark of the third generation of computer. Transistors were manipulated and placed on silicon chip called semiconductors, which drastically increased the speed and efficiency of computer. Friends, it is much smaller and cheaper compared to the second generation computer. Next, fourth generation computer. The microprocessor brought the fourth generation computers as 1,000 integrated circuits were built on it, a single silicon chip. And the fourth generation computer also saved the development of GIC and the mouse and handheld device. Next is fifth generation computer. It is based on artificial intelligence. It is still in development. It is used in parallel processing and superconductors, is helping to making artificial intelligence a reality. The goal is develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. There are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. Students, they are the generations of computer: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Watch the video, students, 2 or 3 times and do worksheet properly. Thank you so much.